Hi everybody, Charlotte McCorkadell here with Ministry Training Source. Just a quick video update. Tomorrow we're having a live text chat event with Ella Maliska. Ella is our guest expert this week on Generation Z and holiness and fostering holiness with this generation. The event will be tomorrow, May 10th at 2:30 for about 20 minutes. I just want to show you real quick how to access that particular chat area. Go to the learning community once you're inside the site. And then you go up here to this icon that has a little bubble icon for like conversation. You click on the learning community channel because that's what we'll do. And then you'll see here a chat that's come up. And this is what we'll use tomorrow to talk with Ella. And so I think Kathy's online. Kathy. And then I'll just have a quick chat with her so that you can see what this is like. It'll be very simple tomorrow, but we'd like to just kind of test out what this looks like from a learning community. I think Kathy's there online. Oh, there she is. Hi, Shara. I'm online. Love chatting with you. Can't wait for the live chat tomorrow. She's great. Yep, she is. So that's the one thing I wanted to show you. The second thing I wanted to show you real quick was for those of you who are wanting to learn how to submit assignments. I want to just remind you of how to do that. We had a couple of people that emailed about that. So you click on the dashboard there. And when you get to your dashboard, you're going to see the courses you're taking, just like this user has 2 courses they're taking. You click on the course you're taking. Now this is for after you've actually completed the learning modules. So to complete the module, you actually click on that. And you actually add a term here, but then after you've done that, read these instructions. It just tells you how to name the file. You go right here, click on Module Discipleship Reflection, and then you'll see here you can download it and then save it to you just click here and you can download it. You can export it as a document. So I would do that. And then next, and then you'll have it. Okay. So then I'll go get that document in my files and I'll resave it. So there it is. Now once it's open, then I'll go here and save that file. So I'm just going to save it, file, save as, and I'm going to add my name to it. So I'm going to, you can keep the module name and all that, and then just go here and then add your name. So I'm going to add Charlotte Corkadell, and then I'm going to add the date 5/09/18. Save that to my desktop. And then after I've done that, I'm going to come back here, and I want to go back to this discipleship reflection. So go back to this place, and when you go there, you'll see add submission. So I just want to show you real quick again how you get to there. So here's Youth on the Margins. You go here. And then it's add submission. I've already downloaded and resaved and completed. Of course, you need to add your answers and that sort of thing to this. And then you just click add a file, browse, click on that, add it there, and then I'll put Youth on Margins, Charlotte McCorkadell, and I'll do 5/8/18 and save. Then save changes. And now you've submitted your assignment. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to see how it is, and Kathy or I'll go in and acknowledge that you've done that and grade that for you and let you know that you've completed the module. Thank you all very much, and again, I hope you join us tomorrow for our live session with Ella. Thanks everyone, and take care and have a great day.